Hey everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions here again with another wonderful case study for a very special client of mine, client ID 7766. Now, she had been through hell and back, and I've been there myself. She had mental health issues, she had, divorce, children by herself, you name it, she'd been through it. And of course, her credit report was impacted. She'd managed to look after most of it, but one bank had defaulted her for $2,200 back in mid 2023. And as we know, defaults are listed for 5 years. So that meant her coming on board late 2024, she couldn't move with the finance she needed until 2028. So she just would have been stuck in her wealth creation journey, which isn't nice. Anyway, I fought really hard for her, got that default removed within 4 weeks, and her score went up from 587 to 1125. It's pretty much one of the highest scores I've ever seen. So she was over the moon, and it's a big weight off people's backs, the embarrassment and the shame that people feel when they have bad credit. And you shouldn't, by the way, because we've all been through bad times, and it doesn't mean that we're bad people or bad payers. Sometimes things happen and they're not necessarily within our control. So if you do have problems with your credit file, or you've got a client who you think could need some education or some help, or just a bit of a boost of morale and a bit of a plan and a light at the end of the tunnel, please get in touch. It's what we're great at. It's what we've won awards for. Please reach out by email or check out more details about us on our website. Thanks for listening.